What's going on, guys? Gabe with ReviewDork, and AMC is doing what AMC likes to do. Print our attendees. Out of the gate, we see price action between $52.88 and $54, but I want to cover something here. All right, squeeze score 99.91 according to Fintel's proprietary algorithm. So let's go ahead and explain that. The short squeeze score is a result of a sophisticated multi-factor quantitative model that identifies companies that have the highest risk of experiencing a short squeeze. The scoring model uses a combination of short interest, float, short borrow fee rates, and other metrics. So it's proprietary, take it with a grain of salt. But yesterday, just yesterday, it was 55. Moving along, we're going to go ahead and check out Vertex data here. And this is live. We have max cost to borrow at 39%. So we look at the current short interest at 17.16%, and the short interest change at 1.7%. And I would expect this number to go up. Anyways, guys, let's talk about AMC Adam Aron. Was he wearing shorts or was he wearing khakis? Me personally, considering he's an OG CEO, the blue shirt with khaki pants and just a horrible big red tie. I don't know, looks like a math professor. For those who are saying, oh, he was wearing shorts, come on. You know, I think we like to fantasize and overcomplicate things that are super simple, but legend has it that underneath this table exists two diamond encrusted nuts. Adam Aron, his job is to navigate the company through troubling times. Our job is to hold. He said it very, very specifically yesterday. His job's to run the company. His job's not to run the stock. For those who are like freaking out like, oh, share dilution. Okay, yeah, there's over 500 million shares outstanding. Do you know that there's another company out there that has just about the same amount of shares outstanding? That company is Amazon, with over 504 million shares outstanding, and look at its price, $3,217. You guys want to know another company that has quite a lot of shares outstanding, almost double AMC? Well, that company is the fanboy favorite, Tesla, with over 900 million shares outstanding. And we go ahead and we look at this, we can show you guys the shares outstanding, 963 million, yet it trades at $586. What the hell does this have to do with AMC? Tesla, its valuation is pretty much based on future earnings. Amazon, their valuation is based on fundamentals. Both of those dynamics draw investors to the company, thus creating a supply and demand. Now, when we talk about AMC, what draws investors into AMC is the squeeze potential. All very different dynamics, but all with the same end result, supply and demand. You bring people in, the stock price rises. I don't really care what mechanics or dynamics drive the price. Fundamentally, it's still the same thing. Supply and demand. So everyone freaking out like, oh, Adam Aron is diluting the company. Well, actually, you know what? Adam Aron just completely got out of our way. We have no more shares to dilute unless we vote on it, the 25 million shares. And that's going to be the topic of FUD from here until 2022 because AMC cannot dilute those shares until 2022. But let's look at it. $2 billion in cash. This is not a dead cat. So for analysts who want to create FUD and say, well, this isn't a fundamentally sound company, well, duh, we know that, but they have a lot of cash. For anyone who wants to take an educated gamble, they can. AMC did the responsible thing by increasing its liquidity. After all, if AMC was strapped in cash and inevitably plummeted, we investors would be holding the bag. Adam Aron did the right thing, and more importantly, his timing of the share dilution is impeccable. Again, Adam Aron did what he was supposed to do for the company. Now we have to do what we need to do for the stock. Now we go over to Stock Tracker, and we see we have 137,000 call options in the money expiring today. That's a beautiful thing to watch. Now we're looking at the options chain here, and we see that we are in the money up until $51. But when we go further down, we see that there is an incredible amount of volume at the $145 strike price. So someone's betting big. Maybe someone knows what we don't know. There's no reason not to be bullish on AMC. You hold, I hold, nothing has changed. Adam Aron has effectively taken AMC and moved AMC out of our way. Ladies and gentlemen, if we look at this price action here, you can't be mad. This thing is holding strong at $50. Just 2-3 weeks ago, we were at $10. Now we can go ahead and we could obsess about synthetics. We could obsess about failure to delivers. We could obsess about all those things. But stop obsessing over things you cannot see and you cannot control. Obsess on your finger and be like, bitch, no, you're not pressing that sell button. You take that finger and you put it up your glory hole. If you want to press something, you press that. Jesus. Now, I really have nothing bad to say about that interview with Adam Aron and Chase Trades. Adam Aron is just doing what executives do. But we enter that whole, what comes first, the chicken or the egg? Without making those hard decisions, would any of us, without Adam Aron making those hard decisions at that time, would any of us be sitting here with inflated portfolios, with price targets that apparently in the options chain is to the moon at 147? Would us YouTubers be here having something to do in the morning? Probably not. Now I'm going to leave you guys with 3 questions, and I want you to answer in the comment section below. Did you buy into AMC because you want life-changing money? Or 2, did you buy into AMC because you're in for the movement? Or 3, did you buy into AMC because you love the company? And I want your answers down in the comment below, but guess what, guys? Why are we fighting against each other? Because the answer to all of those reasons, we hold. How do we get tendies? We hold. How do we make our point in this movement? We hold. I'm holding. For me, for you, for Applejacks. I'm just holding. And you know what? I'm holding for Adam Aron. After all, he does have, what, 3 million shares? We are all in this together, guys. Peace.